The Illuminati Lighting Solutions Kit comes in a really great travel case. It has rigid foam inside to protect all of the components of the Illuminati Lighting Solutions Kit, and it's compact in size to fit any travel need. So let's go over what's in the Lighting Solutions Kit. The ball joint is adjustable, which allows you to secure your light in any direction you need it. Adapter screws. There are multiple threaded inserts for multiple customization options. Clip lens. Clip the lens over your smartphone camera lens. Slightly rotate the lens either direction and watch the glare fade away. Our phone mount is adjustable to fit any smartphone on the market. There are multiple threaded inserts for multiple customization options. The Lighting Solutions Kit also includes a hot shoe mount. The hot shoe mount is specifically designed so you can add your cube light to any DSLR camera. Charging cable. If for any reason you need to replace the lens filter on your cube light, we've included extra lens filters for that need. Use the magnetic diffusers to adjust to the temperature of your lighting environment. Cube light. We've designed the cube light to have different stages of brightness. So if you have a small tattoo, a lower setting is all you need. For larger tattoos, click the button a few times to make it as bright as you need. To turn the cube light on, hold the power button down for a few seconds. Click the power button to adjust the different stages of light. To turn off the cube light, hold the power button down. Share your best tattoo photos on social media with #ShotWithIlluminati.